Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we learned how to create a classes and objects without using a constructor. Today, we are taking it step further. Let's learn how to use a constructor in Python with classes and objects. Let's get started. Alright, so first let's quickly understand what exactly a constructor in Python. A constructor is a special method inside a class. It's called init method, and this method runs automatically when we create an object. It helps us initialize the values for the object like name, age, marks, etc. Okay, so now that we know what a constructor is, let's talk about why we use constructor in Python. Well, when we create an object from a class, we often to give it some initialized data like student name, age or grade. Instead of setting each value manually, we use a constructor to set everything automatically at the moment the object is created. By using a constructor, they save time, they keep our code cleaner and shorter, they make object creation more organized, they ensure that every object starts with valid data. Now we are going to create a student class with a constructor to store student detail. Here, creating a class named student. Class is the keyword. Student. This is like a template that will define how every student object should behave. And inside the class, I initialize the constructor. Def underscore underscore we call up init. Inside the parenthesis self comma name comma age and grade. This is the constructor method. It is a special function called init method that automatically runs when we create a new object. We are passing a three values, that is name, age and grade. Inside the constructor, we are assigning the values to the object properties. Self dot name equal to name. Self dot age equal to age. Grade equal to grade. This self dot name store the name and self dot age store the age and so on. The self keyword means this current object. The self keyword identify the current object representation. Now we are defining another method called display detail. Display details. This function will simply print the detail of the student. Print the student details. using the f string, we initialize the attributes. Name, inside the curly braces we have to pass our argument. Self dot name. And initialize this the arguments. This part prints the data we stored. We are using self.name, self.age and self.grade to get the values from the object and display them. Here we create an object of the student class. So student equal to student1. My object name is student1 and I initialize the class student to the object. Student. Then I pass the parameter to this argument. And I will pass the data like Jack. The age is 18 and the grade is A grade. Okay. We are giving it actual data like Jack, 18, A grade. The constructor runs automatically and set everything up. Finally, we call the display details method using object student. So student dot my object name is student1. So display detail. This print the student information on the screen. And I'll run the code. Here the student detail. And also I created another object student2 equal to initialize the class student and pass the parameter inside the constructor. So the name is Rahul and the age is 20 and the grade is B grade. Again I call the display detail by using the object student2. And the code, this is Rahul 20, B grade and so on. This is the output of the program. And that's it guys. Today we learned how to use classes, object and constructor in Python. I hope this video was helpful for you all and gave you a better understanding of the topic. If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Velgrow Academy. Thank you. Have a nice day.